Yeah, Sheryl Sandberg has an interesting post this morning, guys. Of course, they're meeting with organizers of the boycott and civil rights advocates today, but says that they're making these changes. For example, David, WhatsApp no longer responding to Hong Kong requests for user data in terms of law enforcement, along with Microsoft and Twitter and Google. But she says we're making the changes not for financial reasons or advertiser pressure, but because it's the right thing to do. Yeah. So, and that's going to be met with a healthy dose of skepticism, Dave.
As it should be, I think, as it should be, given what we watch what Mr. Zuckerberg has done, says he'll do. And it typically does come down to making sure the bottom line of the company is protected. Facebook, you know, we talked a lot about, Mike, about the advertisers who are at least pausing at this point. So many big names, but really it hasn't done much to slow the momentum of the stock. Many investors there simply come back to a multiple that they say is 20 times GAAP earnings.
Yeah. No, exactly. Now, what's interesting, too, is you can frame it a couple different ways. One is that the stock appears kind of bulletproof to these concerns, and obviously investors are not registering any real worry that it's going to cause advertiser flight for any long period of time. But if you look at it compared to what you might consider its peers, Google's outperformed, and everything else in FANG and FANG-adjacent stocks has well outperformed Google. So it seems as if the market is differentiating a little bit here between ad-supported and non-ad-supported digital platforms.
Yeah. Well, right, as you say. I mean, Google's up, or Alphabet's up 12% this year. Facebook's 17% year to date.
Yeah, year to date. If you dial back a little more to about a year, it's a similar story, though, whereas, you know, Amazon, Netflix, Microsoft have just blown them away.
Amazon is incredible. 64% is the increase so far this year. Again, still above $1.5 trillion, though still trailing Apple and Microsoft in the old market cap leadership wars.